Hi, this is a RCA VH226 antenna rotator and controller that I bought to be able to rotate an MFJ 1886 receive antenna for my ham radio setup here. Um, I've got it mounted onto an old metal shovel handle, or the shovel part's broken off, and I've got an existing mast on our mast holder on the roof that the internet service provider used to use, that I'm going to put that in. I don't have any antenna rotator cable, so I just used some wires that I had on hand to set it up, that I'll probably use. I think this is like 18 gauge wire, and it can use like 23 gauge wire, so it'll be fine. I hooked it up to make sure that it worked and set it up, and I thought I would post a video of it rotating around one time, so you can see what the speed was on it. And so I'll go ahead and do that. So I'm starting 1, 2, 3 now. And I'm using the remote control, got it here, to rotate it. And the display shows the degrees that it's turned at, times 10. You have to multiply it times 10. So right now it's at 150 degrees, 160 degrees, 180 degrees. So you can see the notch that marks the position that you're at is going around. $280 degrees. So it's pretty quiet. And now we're at all the way around. So that's about it. If you're familiar with like the Yaesu controllers, this one's smaller, and rotators, this one's smaller than the G450, which I think is the smallest one that Yaesu makes. It didn't really have any specifications of exactly the weight and the wind load that it can handle, but the G450 I think can handle 10 pounds, so this is probably somewhat less. I would say this is about 2/3 the size of a G450, but the antenna that I'm going to use it on, that MFJ 1886, is a pretty light antenna. I think it only weighs 2 pounds and shouldn't cause that much wind load. Alright, well that's it. 73.